Greetings friends, it's a great honor and privilege for me to share my views with you today. We are new champions in business intelligence space. We are really excited to share with you our innovations in business intelligence space. Business intelligence is a broad term, and at Maya we feel privileged to have a chance to address the pain problem areas of the companies. There is a lot of excitement and enthusiasm for what we are doing and what is going on more broadly in the BI space. We started this company Maya Intelligence with a vision to make use of technology, simple, affordable and used at mass scale. Today any CIO which has BI on its agenda always thinks that it is not affordable, it is complex and can be used by very few elite in the organization. We at Maya Intelligence have challenged this and proved it wrong by providing affordable, simple and BI applications used at all levels of hierarchy in organization. Gartner research has already given predictions that BI initiative will be on top of agenda of CIO for 2007. CIO always have been smartly focusing on total cost of ownership over the years. But the current conventional product either are too time taking for deployment, very highly priced and can be used by the top executives only, resulting a very high total cost of ownership. Due to this deterrent factor, this initiative have not been taken up on the priority by CIOs on their agenda. Now with Maya BI Intelligence overcoming all the deterrent on the BI front is now within reach and benefits can be realized across the organizations. Maya Intelligence is heavily investing on the product development and has a great road ahead to help its customer grow and scale up in MIS reporting with visually stunning reports. It gives me a pleasure for me to introduce OneKey Business Intelligence new release, which moves away from conventional method of aggregating data and creating metadata, instead sit directly on top of operational data stores and churn out reports quickly. This helps reduce reporting time from months, days to hours. What is exciting to solve in MIS reporting on the diverse databases? Averagely, 4 software applications resides in any corporate environment with heterogeneous databases. OneKey helps connect and create reports no matter where your data is residing. Previously, 10 years of data made sense to do analysis, but today business has become so much dynamic and globally competitive that with 2 years of data for making analysis, it's getting difficult or useless. We term this era of right there, right now. Most of the strategic decisions will now be made on operational data, which is real time and has tremendous value. Information is like cash, which value diminishes over time. Maya Intelligence gives huge productivity boost with giving operational business intelligence report. Let me narrate a typical example of instant report. Imagine it's a Friday afternoon and an email from your managing director appears in your box. With a sigh you wonder, what's that now my boss wants this time? You open up the email and hear what it says. I've got 3 new distributors lined up for an appointment on Monday for southern region. I need complete details on our current sales, outstanding inventory position, drill down on region with salesperson attached to each territory for all 3 product division for last 3 quarters. Now I want to ensure proper region bifurcation based on sales, outstanding and inventory for new distributors whom we are finalizing on Monday. I need it on my desk first thing on Monday. Handling requests like this, is this your job? Think it over. As manager, CIO, are you supposed to do number crunching? Most of the time managers are spending time preparing reports, collecting data or validating reports, reconciliations. Decision makers are literally buried in reports of all shapes and sizes, but never feel they have exactly what they need. The situation is epitomized as a phrase, data rich, knowledge poor. In highly competitive world, market, low overhead costs are essential for profitability. Hidden costs of MIS report generation and timely access to decision making data costs eat directly into profits, hindering top line growth. These are duplicated in business intelligence and business units at corporate level. to manage this cost, it also becomes difficult and expensive for medium scale and growing organization. The idea is to pick up OneKey BI reporting solution that can solve all your MIS reporting needs across your enterprise. Look at your business users. Either they are struggling with Excel spreadsheets for doing their reports, or they are dependent on an IT team to help them generate reports. Most commonly used function in your ERP application is export to Excel. As a part of IT strategy, it is best advisable not to use Excel for reporting. Superficially, spreadsheet or MIS reporting may seem attractive. However, delivering an MIS reporting solution which is secure, robust, reliable, mass usability with enterprise class is not possible with a standalone desktop application with its limitation. OneKey Business Intelligence software from Maya Intelligence preserves the strength of Excel, eliminates its weakness. Companies that previously relied on ERP or Excel or spreadsheets for reporting indicated that using OneKey MIS BI enabled them to reduce a personal time associated with reporting by 50 to 90%. I am sure with Maya Intelligence you will come out surely as a winner. Thank you very much.